Welcome back to our channel, Rebo Al Ilm Private School. And the topic for today is sound Z. Hello children, today we are going to learn a sound. Which sound is it? Z. Repeat. Z. Good. Now we will see which word has the sound Z in it.
Zebra.
What it is? Zebra. Repeat. Zebra. 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 Good. What is this?
Zoo.
Zoo. Zoo. A place where all animals are kept together. Zoo. Have you been to a zoo? Zoo. What is it? Zoo.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. What is the name? Zigzag. These lines are zigzag. How are these lines? These are zigzag. Repeat. Zigzag. Repeat children. Z. 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 Zebra. Zoo. Zigzag. Repeat.
Zebra. Zoo. Zigzag.
Good job. Okay children, now we will learn how to write it in your book. We all know there are how many lines in our book? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Good. The letter Z you will write on line number 2 and line number 3. You will write between these two lines. Line number 2 and line number 3. First, you will draw a sleeping line on line number 2 like this. Then you will join line number 2 to line number 3 diagonally without picking your pencil. Yes, like this. Now again you will draw a sleeping line on line number 3. Good job. Did you see it? Yes. Now try writing it in your book. Between line number 2 and line number 3. Like this. Good job. Now we will listen to a song.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
How does a bee buzz? It buzzes zzz. It makes a sound of zzz. Repeat. Zzz. Yes. This is a bee and it makes a sound zzz. Children, imagine you are a bee. And now make the sound zzz. Good. We will listen to a song again.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Well done. Children, now we will learn how to use it in a word. Try reading these words. Z, I, zip, z, I, zip, z, I, s, zest, Zest. Z, e, s. Zest. Z, e. Zit. Z, e. Zit. Z, e. D, zid. Z, e. D, zid. Good job. Repeat again. Zip. Zed. Zit. Zest. Well done.